1, 2, 3. The respondent, who was employed as a teacher under the Government of Haryana, claimed advance increments in terms of Punjab Government memo dated 1st of September 1960. The Director of Secondary Education, Haryana, rejected the claim on the premise that, in terms of Rule 10 of the Punjab Education Services Class 3rd Rules 195, the pay scales of the teachers were subject to variation from time to time, and since the state of Haryana revised the pay scales of various categories of teachers with effect from 1st of December 1967, memo dated 1st September 1960 stood superseded. He also observed that higher start of pay with advance increments for postgraduate qualification was provided only to masters or mistresses and not to other categories of teachers. The High Court allowed the writ petitions and directed that the respondent must be given advance increments in terms of the Punjab government memo and the letter of the Government of Haryana. Aggrieved, the state of Haryana filed the appeal. The teachers employed under the Government of Haryana could claim benefit of the higher pay scales, advance, increments, etc. in terms of the policy decision taken by the Government of Undivided Punjab and instructions issued by it only till the revision of their pay scales, which were made effective from 1st of December 1967 and not thereafter. The question of revision of pay scales of the teachers employed under the Government of Haryana was considered by the Education Commission, which is also known as Kothari Commission. The recommendations made by that commission were accepted by the President of India and were implemented by the state government with effect from 1st of December 1967. After revision of the pay scales of various categories of teachers, the Government of Haryana issued instruction for grant of monetary benefits in the form of personal pay to those government servants who improved their qualifications by undertaking further studies within the country and abroad. Further, by letter, all the existing instructions were superseded and fresh instructions were issued on the subject. However, the decisions contained in letter and other related communications were withdrawn by the state government by their letter. The High Court erred in accepting the plea of the respondents that revision of the pay scales of teachers with the retrospective date did not result in automatic supersession of the existing policy decisions. Thank you.